They survived Hurricane Ian. Now they're fighting to save FEMA. I'm Fox 4's Hunter Walterman, and I spoke with the Lee County Disaster Survivors Association before they head to Washington, D.C. The group is made up of people who lived through Hurricane Ian. Many of them lived on Fort Myers Beach and say they lost their homes. The group's founder, Tara Boyd, says FEMA badly needs reform, but she says it shouldn't disappear. In June, President Donald Trump proposed eliminating FEMA and shifting the responsibility to states. The agency helps states prepare for disasters and pays out billions in repairs. The group says states are not equipped to handle that on their own.
Everyone deserves a full and fair recovery, especially after, surviving a natural disaster. After losing everything that you have and then trying to navigate through that system, it's not okay.
The group says it will be in Washington with survivors of other major disasters, including the deadly Central Texas floods. The group says it will meet with Florida Congressman Byron Donalds and Senator Rick Scott. In Fort Myers, Hunter Walterman, Fox 4.